Hello, welcome. Let's factorize this expression under algebraic expression. We are still on the revision of random topics that we have done so far. Episode number 16. Factorize completely a 9a squared minus 4 into bracket a minus b all squared. Now, let's see. How are we going to deal with this? We know factorization is all about finding a common factor between two or more terms. So here, we need to find common factor. But this a minus b is being squared, so it's multiplying. Then a squared. You can see that we cannot be able to find the common factor until we expand this, which we might only have a common factor between a here and a here, leaving the b. So the best way is to look at it with a different eye, looking at the 9 being 3 times 3, meaning 3 squared. So I can rewrite this as 3a all squared, which means the same thing. 3 squared, 9. A squared, a squared. Similarly, I can also see 4 to be 2 squared. So minus, I can have 2a minus b all squared. So this square here means that if I find a square, 2 square, I get 4. A minus b all square, I get the original term back. So I can recall that if I have a square minus b square, it becomes a plus b, a minus b, which is a difference of 2 square. First term square minus second term square. It becomes this expanded form. So looking at this, first term square minus the second term square. That would mean that I'll be having 3a plus 2 into bracket a minus b as the first part, the bracket. So let me use this. Then multiply by 3a minus the second term. So that is the difference of 2 square that we can apply here. The first term square minus the second term square. Simply put, first term plus second term in one bracket, multiplying first term minus the second term. Don't forget, a minus b could have come first before a plus b. Is the same thing. So now let's see if we can expand this bracket. So inside the first bracket, I'll have 2 times a, 2a. 2 times minus b, 2b. Let's expand here as well. Minus 2 times a, minus 2a, minus 2 times minus b, plus 2b in there. I believe you are seeing the common factor, 3a plus 2a. That will give us 5a minus 2b. Then 3a minus 2a will give us only a. Then plus what? 2b. This is the complete factorization of this expression. As the question said, factorize completely. I guess you follow through. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.